Right then, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I give you a cheeky unboxing from Garage Therapy. I haven't got a clue what's in this box, to be honest with you, and I'm not sure if there's going to be something in there that might not be able to be seen just yet, but we will find out. But I'm sure the secret's out right now, because tomorrow, which is going to be Monday, is going to be the unveiling of the Garage Therapy Snow Foam V3. I've just finished the podcast, and that's going to be out tomorrow as well. So let's unbox this little beauty and see what Maz and Roger have sent me. Now, what I am excited about, and I have seen this already, is these cheeky new catalogues. This is a little wash guide. I'm going to be going into a little video on that very, very soon. So I'm glad that they've been sent that. First of all, let me just pop that on top there, out of the way, don't want to damage that. Oh, so we've got a bit of GT lifestyle. Nice little bit of baggy, nice bag here, looking very, very sexual. Open that up. Oh, black, my favourite colour. I can get rid of this one now. Just got a torch on it. Put that down the side. Oh, quality little bit of knitwear. Oh, snug as a bug in a rug. Loving these bags, by the way. They look really cute. I hate when they send me this sort of stuff because I hate throwing it away. What we got in here? Some more. Oh, bit of Garage Therapy merch. Cheeky little tee. We like that. It's like almost reversible. That'll look good. It's going to look good for some upcoming videos, guys. In a nice cheeky bit of grey. What else we got in here? Packed really, really well, as per usual. A little bit of Zeta. I like to call this Catherine Zeta-Jones. So if you hear me representing this for a bit of Kathy, bit of Jonesy, this is their new spray and rinse sealant. And so this is probably going to have a dedicated video all by itself, which is exciting. I haven't touched this or tested or played with this at all yet. So it will be interesting to see. And here, because it's going to be launched obviously tomorrow, how you guys think about it. I know the pros have used it and love it. I know that we sort of touched on this on the podcast a little bit about the necessary people at the moment with in the winter not wanting to stay out too long washing cars. Obviously I've got one behind me that's going to be washed in a minute. This might be a really good little one to test this on. And as you can see, I've got some new Meta glasses. And let me know down in the comment section if you want me to do a review on that. Look, guys, you do really well at packaging this product, but this is like a little bit OTT. But I suppose in America, where you've had a few packaging issues and stuff leaking and stuff, maybe this is the necessary evil. But it's not, this is unboxing, this is like some sort of challenge. That's frustrating. Right, take that out. And, oh, 5 litres. A 5 litre bottle of Snow Foam V3. I get 5 litres, do I, boys? Well, I suppose I should, because I am staff after all. So I might as well be. Amount of content I do on GT. Right, so Snow Foam V3. The reason why I'm doing the unboxing now is because I've had this for over a week and I just haven't been able to get out there to do it. And so Snow Foam V3 is a follow-up from obviously V2. And I'm going to be releasing my testing video because I think it's going to be very interesting for you guys to see my thoughts on it, because I was a little bit nervous, a little bit stressed, if I'm honest with you, when Maz sent me out the product and got me to test it. I was a little bit like, why, basically? I love V2 so much. It was, out of all the snow foams I've used, I've found it the best. And so when I did test this for the first time, my concerns were I was a little bit close to getting close to Decon shampoo, but that was because I was testing it at the really highest concentration levels to test its performance. I wanted to see how if it would go too thick. I wanted to see how it would clean. And so I'm going to be doing a couple of videos on that when it's coming out soon. But let's just go through some of the directions and go through the dilution ratios for you guys on Zeta to start with. Maz, you are, honestly, might use that for contraception later. So, let's go through the directions. Ensure the vehicle has been thoroughly cleaned before application, obviously. 2 Zeta, work on a cool vehicle out of direct sunlight and avoid hot panels. So obviously you can tell this is in the 2 range, not the 3 range. So this is, the 1 range is obviously the maintenance range, the 2 range is your standard protection, the 3 range is ceramic coatings. Shake well before use, and you can use this to just spray on the panels. So you can use it in a lance or a trigger sprayer. Foam the product onto the vehicle, allow it to dwell for 1 to 2 minutes, and then don't allow the product to dry, which is most normal. Obviously shake the bottle before use, and then rinse thoroughly so that you can avoid streaking. Now obviously if you're in hard water areas and those kind of areas, streaking can be quite apparent when it comes to using the water in those areas. I think hard water compared to clear water or demineralised water or soft 0 TDS water is going to perform really, really well with these kind of products. Depending on how long you leave it to dry, depending on the climate, those kind of things make a huge difference. So I will be doing a follow-up video on this, but it is compatible with all your protection. Obviously, this does have the nanochemistry in it, which is obviously synonymous with the Quick Detailer, Sigma, CS, and all that sort of stuff. So this is something that the pros have been crying out for a long time. Makes life a lot easier for maintenance washes. I think you're probably going to get kind of 1 to 2 months protection out of it, just depending on how much you're going to use. Obviously, if you use it in the spray trigger format, you're probably going to get longer. But I'm going to be doing, like I said before, a full video on this, and you can use it on the foam lance of 1 to 10 for quick protection or 1 to 5 for high performance. So that's going to be good. Snowfoam V2, Snowfoam V3. This is obviously all the additional stuff. 1 part to 9 parts water in a foam lance bottle. You can also use, you can allow this to dwell for 5 to 6 minutes, so you get an extra bit of long dwell time. One of the key factors is they've taken the limonene out of this, which means that you can get a little bit of extra out of the product. It means they've coupled a few more different ingredients in there. One thing you're going to find about the snow foam products in this country, in the UK, is it's a bit of an arms race, is that obviously you've got other brands out there that are just pushing the envelope when it comes to the best snow foam out there. So it's not for me to decide whether this is the best snow foam on the planet. It's for you guys. But all I know is that there's going to be a lot of content coming out. I know that a lot of YouTubers are dusting off their cameras right now and getting out there ready to film with this stuff, because when V1 came out, when V2 came out, there's always been a real craze around, obviously, snow foams. And as we know from Instagram, YouTube, all these things, snow foam has a real sex appeal when it comes to your content. So it will be interesting. I'm interested to see who tests it. Give me some feedback. But let me know down in the comment section what you think of these new latest releases from Garage Therapy. What you want to see. What do you want to know? The podcast will be out tomorrow, so we'll be going in depth with V3. We obviously need to be doing a lot more stuff on Zeta so you guys understand it. But they're the 2 products. And obviously the t-shirts, I'm really interested in using these. Maz has got a nice one. Like, I'll be honest with you, Maz has got a real nice one. He sent me a grey one when I always wear black. But, you know, what can you say when you get sent some free stuff? You can't complain, but I will fucking complain. Send me a black one next time. But that's it. Cheeky beanie, couple of products. And I know that I've got another product to be testing very, very soon that I think is coming out this year. So I can't obviously disclose on that at the moment, but keep your heads peeled, keep your eyes on a swivel, because Garage Therapy have got some new versions of new products coming out this year, and we're going to be doing a lot of content on the GT channel. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, ring that goddamn bell, and follow us on all the social media. This has been an unboxing with Jonny Shiell Detailing. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.